Good morning. It is about 6 a.m. I'm waiting on my Lyft driver to pick me up to take me to the airport. It is my first time traveling in months, first time traveling with a mask. And so I wanted to bring you along for this ride and show you what it's like to travel and to be in the parks. This will be one of my last times to record today, at least for a while without a mask on. So hopefully I can talk loud enough for you to hear me. Let's go. My glasses were fogged up. I haven't quite mastered the art of the mask and the glasses, but I figured wearing glasses most of the time provides some sort of protection, so I'll keep them on most of the time. So I'm at the airport, and I'm gonna be boarding here in just a minute. If you aren't familiar, in Dallas, there's two airports, and Love Field is the airport where Southwest flies out. I am happy to fly Southwest because they've been a lot more safe than a lot of the airlines, including not allowing people to sit in the middle seats. And when they call you, you don't just go up with your boarding number like always, like A30 or B20 or whatever. They only allow a few people to come up at once, so it's more like a small group staggered boarding. And then once on board, everyone has to spread out. So I grabbed a water and a snack so that I have a little something before I board, and I'm getting ready to eat that real quick. But mask compliance has been 100% here. There are hand sanitizer stations everywhere. I wash my hands after going through security. Security did do this weird thing where they asked to check people's phones. So my phone was in my purse. I went through the security, and then they were checking it. I don't know exactly what that means, but that's what they were doing. So anyway, just something new to observe. So we'll see how the actual flight goes. Okay, finally a chance to give an update that does not include a mask. I am in my rental car right now. Once I went outside to catch the shuttle to my rental car, I changed masks. I purposely wore one that was super thick and had a filter when I was on the plane. But once I got outside, I was like, okay, Florida weather, I can't do it. So I changed to one of these. It's much easier. The disposable ones. So I imagine I'll be toggling between just based on what I can handle and how secure I want to be or whatever. Anyway, so I rented a car with Fox, which is a company that is available outside the airport. You have to take a shuttle to get there, and it took a little while to get the shuttle. There were shuttles for other places that kept coming over and over again, and so finally I took this one and made it all. It's like 8 minutes away from the airport where I'm at, and so I finally got my car. It was just so much cheaper that I couldn't do the convenience of the rental car companies in the terminal. So anyway, it was totally fine. You do have to watch out for them trying to gouge you on the toll fees. I have a Sun Pass at home. I just can't find it. That's why I didn't bring it. So that I don't get gouged, but just FYI, if you do a rental car, be careful of the toll fees. Anyway, so I'm sitting here waiting because Heather is supposed to land. She was supposed to land an hour after me. So the plan was I was going to get my rental car, and then by the time I got it, I could go and pick her up. But her plane, can you tell, Train? Her plane ended up circling the airport for a very, very long time because of the weather. So she's just now gotten clearance to land, and the rental car company said I can sit here and wait. So once she lands and she is headed to baggage claim, I'll go pick her up. And then we will be headed to our first hotel, which is Bonnet Creek. So I'll take you along for the ride. We checked in at Bonnet Creek, where we have this 2-bedroom, it's like an apartment size. So we have a kitchen where we can cook. Realistically, what we're gonna do is make frozen meals. We're only here for a few days. So we have frozen meals that we had ordered. We have water and drinks delivered. We might go get some drinks tonight as well. We use this as our workspace usually. We'll put our laptops and everything here. That way they're out of our rooms. And then we have a living room here. There's Heather, say hi. So we have a balcony with a nice view. See see out there. And then the master has a nice big bed with a tub. And then there's the sink and the shower, so it's huge. And then there's another bedroom that has 2 beds in it. I think they're full or queen size. Let's go over there. And this is where Heather's sleeping. So see, this is like a hotel room in here. And then she has a full-size bathroom as well. And then we have laundry, which is super handy when you change your clothes twice a day because it's so hot. So we love staying here. This is probably like our 3rd time or so, but we'll be switching to on-site in a couple days, but this will be nice in the meantime. So we're at Homecoming. Look at the outdoor space. They've got this area here, and then over there, there's a few tables. We didn't have a reservation, but they were able to just seat us. There's Heather. They sat us down, and they immediately told us to look at the contactless menu with the QR code, and so we were able to do that. It's been really easy. Look at the view right here. I mean, come on. It's only like 84 degrees in July. Doesn't get much better. So we got the Art Smith plate. I can't remember what it's called right now, but it's like their classic thing that they highlight on their menu. And we upgraded to be white meat, and we're gonna split it. And upgrading means that we each get 1 big piece to eat. So yum. Oh wait, they brought us an extra plate too. And there's no extra charge for splitting. We finished up our dinner, and now we are having donuts. We're splitting mini donuts, and it has been so lovely tonight. Still not that many people around. Look at that. It's not so unbusy that it's creepy, but it's like, you know, plenty of space and everything, so we like it. The masks, there is masks that the Homecoming staff wears that are really cute, and a lot of people have been wondering if they can buy them. We found out that you can. The regular mask style with ear loops like this is $10. It's a lot cuter than this though, if you look at the picture. And then the gator style ones are $12, so if anybody's interested, they have them here. Okay, so we're at the end of our very first day, so we wanted to recap it before we head into our first park day tomorrow. So overall, how do you think today went?
Pretty well. Better than expected, maybe? Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I feel also. I think the fact that we both flew Southwest helps because Southwest is doing a better job than most other airlines. And then once we got to Disney World, we've only gone to Bonnet Creek so far and Disney Springs. Then the weather's been really nice.
It's been amazing. I was not expecting that.
Yeah, it was like 84, cloudy, windy tonight. So
Perfect.
Super simple. So I would say after stressing about this trip, I feel better now. Doesn't mean it won't change. We need everything to go well the rest of the trip too. But as of right now, I feel like good start.
Agreed.
And we may have made a pit stop because Yingling's not sold where we live, so gotta take advantage. It's getting us warmed up because now we are off to record our daily Patreon chats that we do every day. So that'll be it. That's our first day. We'll be back tomorrow from Magic Kingdom. Talk to you guys then.